Hello viewers, in this video we will learn how to create a Google Tag Manager account and integrate with Shopify store. To create a Google Tag Manager account, we have to go to this link tagmanager.google.com, then click enter. Now we'll click on create account, then we will give it a name. We can use our company name, like I am using this dummy shop, so I'm using my company name here, like okay, I have added my company name. Now we can select our country from here. I'm selecting United States. Then we have to set up our container. Right now we will create a web container for our Google Tag Manager so that we can integrate with Shopify store. Then we will create a server account in future. Well, we will set up conversion API for our Shopify store. Okay, so right now I'm adding a name here, like okay, so I recommend you to use your business name here, then hyphen, and use web here, because we will create web container right now, not server. Okay, so I'm clicking web, then create. Okay, then scroll down and click here, I also accept, then click yes. Okay viewers, we just created our Google Tag Manager account. Now we have to integrate this Google Tag Manager with our Shopify store. This is our Shopify store, and we have to check if we have a Google Tag Manager connected with our Shopify store before. So let's check. To check this, we will add a extension here, Google Tag Manager, Google Tag Assistant. Just search this and add this extension on Chrome. Add to Chrome, then add extension. Okay, then pin it from here. Okay, now refresh your store. Then if we check this, click on done. Okay, now we have to enable this. Just click on enable and then refresh your store. Here you can see we don't have any tag here because we did not connected our Google Tag Manager yet on our store. So let's connect right now. Okay, to connect Google Tag Manager with Shopify store, we have to copy this JavaScript code from here. Just click on copy, then we have to paste this on our Shopify store head to head section. So let's find out the head to head section. I'm going to my online store section, Shopify dashboard. Just click on online store, then themes, then click three dot, then click edit code. Okay, now we have to find out the theme.liquid file. Here is our theme.liquid file. Then if we search here, I'll just click on Command F and search this head. Here you can see head tag started from here. We just need to copy the code here. Just enter and paste the code here. Okay, now click save, then go to your store and refresh again, and if we check, we have connected our Google Tag Manager on our store. Also you can check from here. If we click on preview, then just copy your store URL, then go to Google Tag Assistant and paste the store link here, then connect. Still not connected. Let's see what happened. Okay, here you can see we have successfully connected Google Tag Manager with our Shopify store. That's why we are getting all of those tag here, and that's it. In the next video, an upcoming video, we'll learn how to set up and install data layer on Shopify store. Right now you can check no data layer is available here. So we will install data layer on this store. We will see this on the next video. Till then, take care.